Are you tired of letting your emotions control your life? Discover the ancient wisdom of Miyamoto Musashi and learn how mindfulness can help you master your emotions, stay calm under pressure, and transform your inner world. Step 1. Practice deep breathing. Breathing is the bridge between the mind and body, and its rhythm reflects your emotional state. When you're anxious or overwhelmed, your breathing becomes shallow and rapid. Conversely, when you're calm and focused, your breathing is slow and deep. Musashi understood the importance of regulating one's internal state to maintain clarity and control. Deep breathing anchors you in the present moment. When you consciously focus on your breath, you interrupt the cycle of negative emotions and regain control. Begin by finding a quiet space where you can sit comfortably. Close your eyes and take a deep breath through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold your breath for a moment, then exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this process for a few minutes, allowing your body to relax and your mind to center itself. Musashi taught that mastery of the self begins with mastery of the basics. Breathing is fundamental, yet it is often overlooked. He believed in simplicity and discipline, and deep breathing embodies both principles. As you practice this step, remind yourself that each breath is a moment of renewal. With every inhale, you draw in strength and clarity. With every exhale, you release tension and negativity. Deep breathing also teaches patience, a quality Musashi revered. In moments of emotional intensity, patience allows you to pause and gather your thoughts instead of reacting impulsively. The act of slowing down your breath slows down the racing mind, creating space for mindfulness to emerge. Incorporating deep breathing into your daily routine not only helps you manage your emotions in the moment, but also strengthens your overall emotional resilience. With consistent practice, you'll find that this simple yet profound technique becomes second nature, a tool you can rely on to navigate life's challenges with grace and composure. Step 2. Acknowledge your emotions without judgment. Acknowledging your emotions without judgment is the cornerstone of mindfulness. Musashi emphasized the importance of observing reality as it is, unclouded by personal biases or distractions. He believed that clarity of thought arises from accepting the truth of the moment, whether on the battlefield or in life. When emotions surge, anger, sadness, fear, our instinct is often to suppress or analyze them excessively. However, mindfulness invites us to simply acknowledge these emotions without labeling them as good or bad. This practice fosters self-awareness and prevents emotions from controlling our actions. To begin, take a moment to identify what you're feeling. Use simple language. I feel frustrated, or I feel anxious. Naming your emotions creates a sense of distance between you and them, allowing you to see them as temporary experiences rather than defining characteristics. Musashi taught that detachment is key to mastering oneself. By acknowledging your emotions without judgment, you practice this detachment. Consider the analogy of a clear lake. When emotions arise, they are like ripples on the surface of the water. If you try to fight or ignore them, the ripples intensify. But when you observe them calmly, they eventually settle. Musashi's teachings remind us that calm observation leads to understanding, and understanding leads to mastery. Acknowledging emotions also helps you uncover their root causes. For instance, anger might stem from unmet expectations, or sadness might arise from a sense of loss. By understanding these triggers, you can address them more effectively. Musashi believed in facing challenges directly and honestly, a principle that applies equally to our internal struggles. This step is not about suppressing emotions or pretending they don't exist. Instead, it's about accepting them as part of your human experience. When you approach emotions with curiosity and compassion, you take the first step toward managing them mindfully. Over time, this practice cultivates emotional intelligence, enabling you to navigate complex situations with greater ease and confidence. Step 3. Use grounding techniques. Grounding techniques are essential for staying connected to the present moment, especially during emotional upheaval. Musashi's philosophy emphasized living fully in the now, as he believed that focus and awareness were vital for success in any endeavor. Grounding practices embody this principle by redirecting your attention from overwhelming emotions to tangible, present experiences. One effective grounding technique is the 5-4-3-2-1 method. Begin by identifying 5 things you can see, 4 things you can feel, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste. This exercise engages your senses, drawing you away from emotional distress and into the reality of the present moment. Musashi's teachings highlight the importance of observation. He urged his students to pay close attention to their surroundings and themselves, cultivating a heightened sense of awareness. Grounding techniques align with this philosophy by sharpening your focus and grounding you in the here and now. Another approach is to focus on physical sensations. For example, press your feet firmly against the ground or hold a cold object in your hand. These actions anchor you to the physical world, providing stability when emotions feel overwhelming. Musashi understood the value of physical discipline, often using movement and stillness to cultivate inner balance. Grounding is particularly helpful during moments of anxiety or panic. These emotions thrive on uncertainty and fear of the future. By grounding yourself in the present, you disrupt this cycle and regain a sense of control. Musashi's principle of being like water teaches us to adapt to the flow of the moment without becoming consumed by it. Incorporating grounding techniques into your daily life strengthens your ability to stay centered in the face of emotional challenges. Like Musashi, who honed his skills through constant practice, you too can develop the mental fortitude needed to navigate life's ups and downs with grace. Step 4. Engage in body scans. The body and mind are deeply interconnected. Emotions often manifest physically: tight shoulders, a clenched jaw, or a racing heart. Musashi's teachings encourage us to understand this connection and use it to our advantage. Engaging in body scans is a mindfulness practice that helps you become aware of how emotions impact your body and allows you to release tension. To perform a body scan, find a quiet space and sit or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Then, slowly bring your attention to different parts of your body, starting from the top of your head and moving downward. Notice any sensations, tension, or discomfort without trying to change them. Musashi's principle of self-awareness aligns perfectly with this practice. He taught that understanding oneself is the foundation of mastery. By regularly scanning your body, you develop a deeper awareness of how emotions affect you physically, which is the first step toward managing them. Body scans also help you identify and release physical tension. For example, if you notice tightness in your chest, take a few deep breaths and visualize the tension melting away. This process not only soothes your body, but also calms your mind. Musashi often spoke of harmony between mind and body, recognizing that balance in one leads to balance in the other. This practice is particularly useful during stressful situations. When emotions run high, the body enters a state of heightened arousal. By scanning and relaxing your body, you signal to your mind that it's safe to calm down. Musashi's emphasis on composure and control reminds us that true strength lies in the ability to remain steady under pressure. Regular body scans cultivate a sense of mindfulness that extends beyond the practice itself. As you become more attuned to your body, you'll notice emotional triggers earlier and respond to them more effectively. This heightened awareness, rooted in Musashi's teachings, empowers you to face life's challenges with resilience and grace. Step 5. Cultivate gratitude. Gratitude is a transformative practice that emphasizes the importance of focusing on the positive aspects of life, even in the face of adversity. According to Miyamoto Musashi, gratitude is a form of mindfulness that fosters humility and resilience. Musashi's philosophy encourages us to find meaning and value in every moment, allowing us to manage our emotions and deepen our connection to the present. Gratitude begins with a conscious effort to notice and appreciate the positive aspects of our lives. even in the face of adversity. By focusing on what we have rather than what we lack, we cultivate a mindset of abundance and peace. Integrating gratitude into daily life can be done through journaling, where we write down 3 things we are grateful for daily. This practice trains our minds to seek positivity, even during challenging times. Gratitude also helps us reframe difficult experiences, as it encourages us to learn from every situation, even adversity. Expressing gratitude towards others strengthens relationships and fosters emotional resilience. Musashi valued the interconnectedness of all things, and gratitude is a powerful way to honor this principle. By cultivating gratitude, we create a foundation of positivity and balance, enhancing our overall well-being and aligning with Musashi's timeless wisdom. Step 6. Meditate regularly. Meditation is the heart of mindfulness and a cornerstone of emotional mastery. Musashi, known for his disciplined lifestyle, often practiced meditation to sharpen his focus and maintain inner peace. Meditation trains your mind to remain calm and composed, even in the face of intense emotions. To meditate, find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. As thoughts and emotions arise, acknowledge them without judgment and gently return your attention to your breath. This practice may seem simple, but its impact is profound. Musashi's concept of zanshin, or the state of relaxed alertness, is deeply connected to meditation. Zanshin teaches us to be fully present and aware, ready to face life's challenges with clarity and composure. Regular meditation cultivates this state, helping you respond to emotions mindfully rather than reacting impulsively. Meditation also strengthens your ability to observe your thoughts and emotions without becoming entangled in them. Musashi believed in detachment, not in the sense of indifference, but as a way to maintain control over oneself. When you meditate, you practice this detachment by watching your emotions pass like clouds in the sky, without letting them dominate your actions. The benefits of meditation extend beyond emotional regulation. It reduces stress, improves concentration, and enhances self-awareness. Over time, meditation rewires your brain, increasing your capacity for empathy and emotional intelligence. These qualities align with Musashi's philosophy of balance and mastery. Incorporating meditation into your daily routine doesn't require hours of practice. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day can make a significant difference. The key is consistency. Like Musashi's relentless dedication to his craft, your commitment to meditation will yield transformative results. Through regular meditation, you develop a deep sense of inner calm and resilience. This practice equips you to face life's emotional challenges with strength and grace, embodying the wisdom of Miyamoto Musashi. Step 7. Respond, don't react. Miyamoto Musashi's teachings emphasize the importance of deliberate action in managing emotions. He suggests that responding thoughtfully rather than impulsively is crucial for emotional mastery. This involves pause before taking action, observing feelings, and considering the best course of action. Musashi's principle of strategy, think lightly of yourself and deeply of the world, encourages us to view situations with perspective, aligning our values and long-term goals. To practice this step, imagine a moment of conflict or emotional distress. Take a deep breath and ask yourself questions about your feelings, desired outcome, and the impact of your response. This shifts focus from the emotion itself to how you handle it. Musashi's principle of strategy applies here, as responding thoughtfully ensures purposeful and effective actions. Empathy is also essential when emotions involve others, as Musashi's emphasis on understanding the opponent can be applied to understanding the people around you. Empathy fosters connection and reduces the likelihood of escalating conflicts. Practicing this step becomes a habit, transforming challenges into opportunities for growth. By following Musashi's teachings, mindfulness becomes a powerful path to emotional mastery. By practicing deep breathing, acknowledging emotions, grounding oneself, engaging in body scans, cultivating gratitude, meditating, and responding thoughtfully, one can cultivate resilience, balance, and clarity. Ultimately, mindfulness helps navigate the complexities of emotions with grace and composure, transforming challenges into opportunities for growth.